Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. It's wonderful to be here. I'm just adjusting my shirt there. What happened there? I have no idea. Welcome to all of you. We've got a record crowd now on YouTube for starting up the show. Absolutely fantastic. So we've got our best crowd ever to start the live show. We're very excited about that. All right, we're here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything that we do here is real, genuine. We share with you our live trades here live from my studio. This is the studio right now. This is where we are. And everything you see now is real, genuine. It's my real money on the screen. If you want to be part of it, jump into YouTube. Then you can see everything. If it's your very first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel and ring the notification bell. Set the notification bell to all. That way you'll be notified about special events. And we have some coming up in the next few weeks. More information about that. You will miss it if you've not rung the bell, because we're going to have some impromptu drop-in events. More information about that very shortly. Okay, once you're here, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up and go into the live chat and meet all our team. All our team are here to help you. If you say sheesh, I'll gift. What does that mean? Fantastic. We've got some wonderful people over there on TikTok. Some very strange people as well on TikTok saying some very odd things to me, which I'm not going to read out. But you're welcome to say whatever you like. You represent yourself on TikTok. Thank you ever so much indeed for those 2 flowers. Zeus, I would love to sheesh. Our friends on TikTok, I'd love to invite you now to be part of my family here on YouTube. If you want to be part of it, click the profile right here. Click the profile right here. Find the icon. And right behind the Instagram icon is my YouTube link. That's where we are right now. And you can see my trading screens either side of the phone. You can't see it on the phone. So come over there to YouTube and you can see exactly what we're trading on, what our positions are. And today we're discussing Bitcoin, Rivian, and all my stocks and shares that are moving up and down for opportunities. Okay, so let's go over to my portfolio right now. There you go. And we've already got 10 likes. Fantastic. Welcome, everybody. Michael Williams, Graphics Card, and Bill, and others are already here. Let me just check the back of the studio. Yeah, we're all good. Everything is looking great this morning. All right, so where are we? Overnight, we're down slightly, 0.33 today. Down slightly, a little bit, but that's okay. Down 0.33. Remember, my aim right now is to sell a number of my stocks that are in profit, right? Because the biggest opportunity is just a few weeks away with the Rivian IPO. It's what I'm going to be all over. So I'm very excited about it. I'm going to be preparing for that now. So what I'm doing now, I'm not going to wait. I'm looking for opportunities to get some money out of my portfolio. My portfolio is currently standing at 48,900. Good morning, Martin Redding. Let me bring you up on the screen. For those of you on TikTok, you can't see my portfolio. You need to be in YouTube. Click the profile, click the icon. Right behind the Instagram icon is the YouTube link, and you can see my actual trades that I'm actually trading. Martin, so overnight we dropped back slightly. We dropped back now 0.32. Bitcoin dropped a little bit, of course. That trades 24/7. Everything else hasn't been affected yet. But I'm sticking to my plan. My plan is to sell some profit options here. Some of my profits where I am. Sorry, I don't mean options. I don't trade in options, but sell some of my positions and prepare up to $6,000 in my buying power. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. So we're looking, hopefully, Virgin Galactic could pop. I don't think it's going to pop just yet. We've got a way off for that. But on the back of SpaceX last night, of course, that's good for other stocks. Even though Virgin Galactic has nothing to do with SpaceX, it has everything to do with SpaceX, because people are going to start to invest more in space, and Virgin Galactic is one of those options. So I think that's good for Virgin Galactic. We're just flat. We did open up very slightly this morning. Where was that? At 0.08, but that just dropped back. So nothing really there. We've got 25 minutes before the main market opens. Yep, the SpaceX launch was incredible, right? The first civilian flight into space. No astronauts on the plane, on the ship. Wasn't that incredible? Absolutely fantastic. Very, 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 very impressive. Thank you for the roses, by the way, Zeus Hades. I've got someone on TikTok called Zeus Hades. Just said to me, say sheesh and I'll give you some roses. No idea why, but I was happy to say it. It doesn't do any harm. And he gave me 2 roses. I appreciate that. It's like a little tip on TikTok. So Virgin Galactic, just sitting there in a minute. So what we're looking to do, we're looking to take some profits today. And we're also going to be discussing, I hope Ken is going to be with me this morning. We want to be discussing some IPOs that are coming up, some new stocks, but also Rivian. I think this is the biggest opportunity that is going to come our way this decade. This is Rivian here. We'll get into the meat of it in a minute. But there we go. There's some information here about Rivian. Its IPO is just a few weeks away. So what I want to be doing is preparing all of my stocks, getting as much money as possible without bringing any more money into my portfolio. Not doing that. I haven't got that opportunity just to bring money in. Michael King, good morning. Norel, good morning. And we're looking at finding some profits here. Johnson & Johnson's up 0.11. Tesla is just on the pre-market, just down very slightly. Now, I've made $325 in Tesla. This could be, there's money to be made there, a decent amount of money. I could sell my position on Tesla, of course. That's a possibility. And then buying again at another point. I do believe it's going to go to 3,000. I do believe Bitcoin is going to go to 100,000 by the end of the year. I could sell my Bitcoin position, perhaps. I don't know. I just have to weigh it all up. Can't be in it and out of it at the same time. That's not possible, is it really? McAfee down very slightly at the moment, down 3.9% overall, but we're flat today. Carnival's opening down slightly on the pre-market. We got just 22 minutes to go. Pfizer flat right now. Harpoon Therapeutics flat right now. Of course, this is one I want to get out of. It was totally ridiculous. Opportunity, this one. It was when I first came in, I thought I'll do a lottery ticket. I'll try a couple of stocks that are right down on their knees and see what happens. Well, ever since I did, it's dropped and dropped and dropped. And I don't know where this is going. I probably should. I don't know. I should probably research this and find more about it. But I've let it slip a little bit. But I need to research this and see if it's ever going to recover. Because the trouble is, not only am I, waiting for a pop, that's fine, but I'm 34% down. It would have to jump a heck of a lot just to get into the zero. So we shall see. Lucid Group's up again today. All good news with Lucid Group. I sold out my position here. But there we go. They're having a good morning this morning. Robinhood is down. I sold out at 8% up. It's now up 3% more. So I missed some opportunity there, but that's fine. Clear Secure is up 0.29 this morning. I'm still in that position. I've got 13% there. That's got more opportunity to grow. Ford is down very slightly. You're in it to win it. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Bill. What did everybody think of the SpaceX launch? What do you think about that? Pretty cool, right? Rolls-Royce has opened down 1.71 this morning. I'm still up 9%. I could take profits there, perhaps. Virgin Galactic is just dropping down 18.5% now. Walmart is up. I'm planning on Walmart doing really great over the holidays, so that's looking good. McDonald's is down slightly. Microsoft is down slightly. Google is down slightly. Everything is preparing for a down at the moment. Vanguard is up 0.22. Disney is up or down slightly. AT&T is down slightly. So a quite subdued preparation for the opening this morning. So we've got about probably 4 weeks. Something like it's mid-October. Something like that. Virgin Galactic could be just in time for me to make profits. Think about that for Rivian. It could be. It's around about the same time. All right, we got 11 likes now. Thank you very much indeed. If you just come into the show, come into the live chat. Come into the live chat. We'd love to talk to you and share with you what's hot, what's not. So come into YouTube, give us a subscribe and ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up so the algorithm will show more people on YouTube. That really helps us grow. Thank you very much indeed for your help there. Right, let's have a quick sip of tea. All right. So, we've got just 14 minutes to go before the, 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. And let's have a little look at this. This is what I'm interested in now. I've got my focus on. Rivian vehicles are now ready for sale in 50 states following key certifications. Some people are saying this will be the Tesla killer. So Tesla, I don't feel it will be threatened by this at all. But we shall see how this goes. Rivian vehicles have received certifications from 3 agencies, the final hurdle that allows the electric automaker to sell and deliver its R1T pickup truck and R1S SUV in all 50 states. Rivian confirmed to TechCrunch in an email that the vehicles are fully certified by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the Environmental Protection Agency, and the California Air Resources Board. That Rivian has received regulatory approval to deliver vehicles to customers. Rivian has a direct sales model in which customers can order its vehicles online. Dealer protection laws in many states prohibit companies like Rivian from having its own stores, where customers can take test drives and learn about financing options. However, there are no restrictions from customers ordering online from those states. Today, 22 states allow for all vehicle manufacturers to sell vehicles to customers, according to the NRDC in those states. Rivian can set up stores, display vehicles, offer test rides, and importantly, discuss financing. Another 11 states allow for only Tesla, which also has direct sales model to sell vehicles, often in a limited number of locations throughout the state. Rivian plans to begin deliveries of the R1T launch edition this month. Deliveries of the R1S SUV are expected to follow this year. It's going to be, I mean, this is such good news. I can't overestimate, I can't overemphasize how big this is going to be. The only concern I have is overpricing when it first comes out. Confirmation of the certification from the state and 2 federal agencies followed a trio of announcements in the past several weeks, including the first production Rivian R1T electric pickup truck in Rivian Blue rolling off the assembly line Tuesday morning at the company's factory in Normal, Illinois. Now, that was a point that Martyn brought up, saying Illinois is not tax friendly for companies, not a great place to do business. That's what he shared with us. I don't know much about that. I have to be honest. I understand that Texas is a better place to make vehicles, but having said that, because of other laws, Tesla have difficulty sending they can't send their vehicles directly from their mega factory in Texas. It has to go out to come back in again. Absolutely ridiculous. So even though there's tax benefits, there are other disadvantages with that. So maybe that's why they're in Illinois. I don't know. The company's 2 vehicles also received official EPA ranges of 314 miles for the first edition of its all-electric R1T pickup truck, and 316 miles for the R1T SUV. Look at that! Look, they're within 2 miles of each other, which is great. That's good mileage. It's not as good as Lucid. They're getting 500, but anything over 300 is going to be a market breaker, because that's where regular trucks come in, right? So that's fine. Anything over 300 is fine in my book. Of course, if you could get 1,000 miles, so you could just drive from one side, across a state without having to charge up. I mean, that's obviously a benefit, but that's going to come, of course, down in the future. All of this follows Rivian confidentially filing paperwork in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to go public. The company, backed by a host of institutional and strategic investors, including Ford and Amazon, has not announced the size and price range for the proposed offering. But guess what, guys? It's going to be expensive. It's going to be expensive. I'll tell you that. Look at the value of Amazon shares. But remember, right, it's all about percentage. You might go, all right, Amazon's $3,000 a share. Remember, with Robinhood, you can fractional share anyway. So let's say you buy $100 of it. If it goes up 10%, it's 10%. Whether it's $1 million or whether it's $10, your amount that you invested, it goes up the same. So it's really irrelevant to me as an investor, whether there's one share at $1 million or 1 million shares at $1. If someone would explain to me the benefits, disadvantages, I don't see any. Maybe someone knows something I don't know. Tell me, is 1 million, one share a company at $1 million the same as 1 million shares at $1 each? Does that make sense? To me, if you buy $1 million and it goes up 10%, you make the same as if you buy 1 million $1 shares and it goes up 10%. Let's see. We got Martin Redding's just come in now with a comment. Let's see what he has to say about that. If it's in normal, then they probably got a TIF district for real estate, taxes, and access to Illinois University. Oh, universality. I don't understand that comment, mate. Normal is an economic depressed area. Oh, I see. If it's in normal, then probably got a TIF district for real estate, taxes, and access to Illinois Universality. Normal is an economic depressed area. Okay. So does that mean they get any tax benefits from being in normal? Is that what that means? Good morning, Alicia, Patricia. Oh, we got 12 likes now. The family are all here. There we go. We've gone past 10 now. Great stuff. Alicia and Patricia here. Smash the like button. Let's have a look at it. We've got 12 likes. That's it. Let me understand that again. If it's in normal, then they probably got TIF district for real estates, taxes, and access to Illinois University. To Illinois University. Okay. I'm not familiar with that. I need to research that. I'm not familiar what that is. Yes, for real estate taxes, but not state business tax. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's why they chose Illinois. But, I mean, there are benefits. I mean, Elon Musk has all sorts of issues with making cars in Texas. People have to send them out to bring them back in again. It's flipping. Oh, 14 likes now. Absolutely great. That's great for this time of the morning. Really good. All right, so there you go. Let's go back to the market. We've got just 10 minutes to go. And so you're not going to see me trading very much. I'm not going to be really doing anything right now. I'm going to be sitting where I am. I might come out of my dodgy positions like Harpin Therapeutics, but I don't know. I've lost so much money on that one, waiting for that bounce. I mean, which may, of course, never come. I mean, let's get one thing straight. It may never happen. I need to research this. Harpoon Therapeutics, when I'm off air, I will do some real research and find out if this is literally, you know, a cash to nothing. It's getting worse and worse and worse. I'm down nearly 35% now. I've lost $400 on this one. I mean, it's kind of the last 3 months. It's pretty well. Yeah, the last month it's pretty much stabilized. It's probably hit the bottom. I don't know. I mean, of course it can keep on going to zero, but there's money there that I want to put in Rivian, but we shall see what happens. Let's go through the stocks right now. We're starting to see a climb return. I'm down 0.21. Let's see what happens on the bell. Amazon is down slightly. Of course, I'd like to be more in Amazon. See, now Amazon and Ford shares will probably go up on the back of Rivian, because they're investing in Rivian, so their shares will probably go up. Am I right? Is that right, Martin? Would you agree with that? Would Ford shares go up if Rivian shares go up, as they're investors in it? I see why. I mean, the Amazon have invested in a company. They've made money from that. Would that be directed back into their stock? It's not their company's making profit. I guess it is, right? Their company have purchased, as long as it's in the same bag, it's not something separated. I don't know. Would Amazon shares go up if they're an investor in Rivian and Rivian goes up? I would have thought so, wouldn't you? I would have thought so, but not necessarily. Because it might be a separate division, or might be filtered out, or split off, or not part of their main business. I don't know. Be interested to know that. I think it would. I am sure they know what they are doing in Illinois for the short term, but there is reason Caterpillar is leaving Illinois for... What's IN? I'm not always familiar with the abbreviations for the states. I know all the states. I'm just trying to think which one IN is. Martin's going to tell me, and he's going to laugh. How come you don't know this stuff? IN. Can anyone think what IN is? I could Google it in a second, but I don't want to. Indiana. Okay. There's a reason why Caterpillar is leaving Illinois for Indiana. Yeah. Okay. That's a shame that you think states would sort that out. They wouldn't want big companies like Rivian to leave, right? That'd be crazy. Right, Johnson Johnson is up slightly. Now we've got 8 minutes to go before... 6 minutes to go before the bell. So let's get ready for it. Michael Williams, hi. Michael Williams is here. Michael Williams is a lovely chap. He joins my music shows quite often. He makes some requests. In fact, Michael, you made some requests for some songs, and you never came in. So I didn't know if I didn't do your song because I was waiting for you to come in the live chat and remind me of your songs, and I would have done them for you. But you wasn't in the live chat, so just come into the live chat, and I will do your songs. But I'd love everyone to say hello to Michael Williams. He's a lovely chap, and he always comes on, and he always says, "Hi, I'm Michael Williams." He always puts his name, "Hi, I'm Michael Williams," when he comes in. So if everybody would say hello to Michael. We've got Martin here from the US. We've got Patricia and Alicia from Italy. I'm from England, but I'm based in Texas right now. But smash the like button, Michael. Hit the like button. All right. Hi, Michael and all traders. There you go. Hit the like button. Hi, Mike. There's Bill from Canada. Welcome to Illinois. LOL. A tax and spend state. That's why I am retiring early for Wisconsin, Illinois. Oh, LOL, sorry. Oh, it's crazy that I don't understand why a state would do something that's not in its best interest. I don't understand it. Anyway, we got 13 likes now. Thank you very much indeed. Has Michael smashed the like button? I think he probably has. Right, Apple just dropped. Oh, I forgot all about our friend GSAT. I'm not in it anymore, but I know some of you are. What's happening with GSAT right now? Oops. It's dropped 4% this morning. Dropped 4%. Now you see why you don't FOMO. You see why you don't react when you've sold out and something then pops. Right? Now it's gone the other way. That's how it goes. It's a difficult one, this, because I care about all my all our team here, and I know Martyn and John, I believe, they've got Global Star. So I don't want to be too happy when I see it go down. I'm never happy when it goes down. I'm relieved. It makes me feel better that, oh, okay, I did the right thing. But at the same time, my friends have got invested in it. So I don't think you should ever be glad. If you're not in a stock, you don't want it to go down, even though it makes you feel better. You shouldn't, because other people are losing money, right? So if you're not in a stock, you should be completely neutral. If it goes down, it's not good for the investors in it. We want to see the market going up. We don't want to see it going down, unless we're trying to get into the market, of course. But I've turned it into a long-term investment. Okay, John has said, okay, it's a long-term investment. I'm holding on to it. And you may be right. I do believe you're right. The reason why I'm out and I'm staying out is I'm trying to get $6,000 in my buying power. It's less than a 1% hit. Yeah, it's a small part of your portfolio. So then you're fine. A long-term play for less than 1% hit, for less than 1% in it. That's good. That's just like my Harpoon Therapeutics, right? Over here, that's the same. I've got 1.76% in it, but I'm down 35%. It's kind of the same thing, right? I regard these very volatile stocks, big risk stocks, as like a lottery ticket. All right, it's like a pyramid. We've talked about this before. At the top of the pyramid, you'll buy a lottery ticket. Spend $1. It's the smallest part of your portfolio, but it could make you a millionaire. It's fine. It's only $1. And you know it's probably going to lose, more than likely going to lose, but you'll have a little go at it. But what you don't do is put 80% of your portfolio into it, because that would be financial suicide unless that 1% paid off, you know. So that's to me is the same thing. But if it wasn't for Rivian round the corner, I would be back in it. Oh, nice! I'm finally up to 49,000. Exos is popping. Shall we have a look at it? Right, we got 2 minutes. Exos. Oh, I have 20 shares in that. That's nice. Oh, it's only a small position, $134. Exos is popping this morning. Wow, up 10%. That's good. I'm still down 21% though, so it's just returning to where it was before. But we'll keep our eye on that one. Right, let's get ready for the bell this morning. My portfolio is back up into 49,000. That's good. And just to repeat, because John's just joined us, what we're doing this morning over the next 2 or 3 weeks was getting ready for Rivian. We're getting ready for this. We're getting ready for this. So what we're doing, I'm trying to make profits wherever I can and get $6,000 on hand. Because what I'll do is I'll put 5,000 in, whether I do it over 1,000, you know, 4 5,000s, 5 1,000s. I want $6,000 in my portfolio on hand in buying power. Not leverage my own money. Right, 30 seconds to go. Let's watch the markets. Let's keep our eye. GSAT is down. Amazon is now moving back up. Let's keep our eye on Exos. That's moving very quickly right now. Right, here we go. Get ready for a bit of action this morning. Muzanella from Florida is here. I don't think you've all met Muzanella. He joined in 2 days ago. Brand new member. Martin, John, Alicia, Patricia, Bill, Michael Williams. Say hello to our new member. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Exos has just dropped back again now. Back to where it was. So there was an initial pop, but now the bell is open. There we go. And one final ring. Hi. Welcome, welcome. Right, let's have a look. My portfolio is now, it just dropped back a bit. We always get a bit of action. This first half an hour, Michael Williams says hi. Thank you, Michael. If I see any big jumps, Global Star down, Exos up, down, up a little bit, right? I am looking to make some money today and put it in my buying power. All right. If I see any of my stocks, any stocks at all, do a real big jump, I'm going to start to take some money out. Welcome, Michael. Hello, John. Facebook is just dropping. Oh, Facebook. Bit of action there with Facebook. Apple's moving up. A lot of volatility there. A lot going on. You can see the volatility this morning in the way the stocks are moving quickly. Oh, AT&T's a big bounce there. Disney's just dropped back. Exos is up today 8%. We're seeing Exos on a bounce. I'm still down 21%, so I've made no money on this yet. I'm not going to buy in. My money is sitting there in the buying power, going nowhere. $850. That's got to get up to 6,000. All right. Let's see where we can find some profits this morning. If Exos makes me any profit, I will sell it. Bitcoin just dropping back slightly today. Not much. McAfee is down. Carnival is just leveling out on zero. Pfizer just down slightly. Harpoon down again, another 2%. God, my God, can this go any lower? It's just awful. Lucid Group up 5% this morning. Whoa, Lucid Group, look at this. 5, 6. Lucid Group. Is anybody still in Lucid? I had a lot of money in this one. This would have been a big earner for me right now. But as it happens, I only have one share. But that's really moving. Look at that, 5.5% this morning, and look at it rising. Look at Lucid Group rising there. Lucid Group is going up this morning, absolutely fantastic, moving up very quickly. 5, it's going to hit 6% in a second. I've got nothing in it. I've only got, oh, look at this. Who's got John? John, are you in, or is it Martin? I think it's John, isn't it? Are you in Lucid Group? Look at it this morning. Let's have a look at it. Look at that. Huge spike. Still down on the month, but we're seeing some action this morning. Nearly 7%. Is anybody in Lucid Group this morning? We're seeing some real action there. Look at that, 7% now. No longer in Lucid. Oh, I bet you wish you were. I wish I was as well. Look at that. Yeah, an article came out about Lucid. Look at that. But this could drop back because if you remember, was it Morgan Stanley said the value should be $12, so it's overpriced. But then so is Tesla, remember. So is Amazon, remember. You know, what do they say? Buy the what is it? Sell the news. Buy the what is it? Buy the news. Buy the something. Sell the news. What is it? Exos just dropped back slightly. I wonder if I can get out of that. I'd like to get out of that. There we go. My portfolio is over 49,000 now. Oh, nice. I'm in the green for the first time today. There we go. Look at that. That's a nice little pump there. Right. What is doing that? Amazon is moving up. There we go. Johnson & Johnson doing well. Tesla just moving up. There we go. What about Virgin Galactic? Oh, Virgin Galactic. Hey, Bill, look at this. Bill, look at this. We're up. That's my best. 16% down. There we go. That's my best position so far since the devaluation. I've never been better than 16% down after they devalued. So this is currently my best position. Could this be the day I make some money? Even if I hit zero, I will take some profits out of this. All right. I've got so much money in here. I've got 12.5% here. Martyn is up 0.78. Martyn, I am up No, I'm down slightly. Very, very slightly. So Martyn is winning so far. Let's get the scores on the doors. Let's see who's going to win this morning. Remember, I won the last 2 days. Oh, no, I didn't. Was it Clust? No, Kofi. Kofi came in at the last, 10 seconds and said he beat me. So, there we go. Sigh. What you sighing about, Martyn? Sorry, John. What you sighing about? Virgin just dropping back slightly. A bit of a pump this morning. No comment. Oh, come on. Share your thoughts, Martyn. John, sorry. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up with you? Dr. Nathan Smith is here. Good morning, good morning. John is down. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, God. John. We're all sending you some love. Yeah. Mr. Love. Mr. Love is sending you some love. We're so sorry, mate. NRXP crashing still. Yeah, I'm out of it. Oh, yeah. Of course. Where is Dras? Drop back to... Oh. Should we have a quick look? NRXP. Oh, dear God. Let's have a look. Oh, dear. Yes. 13% on the week. Where is Dras? 23% on the month. Ooh. Ay. Are you in, John? I mean, I know what it feels like. I mean, look at me. Look at my Harpoon Therapeutics. I'm down $464. I mean, it's just keeps on going down. Dr. Nathan Smith, you're a doctor. You're in this industry. What's your thought on Harpoon Therapeutics? Is it ever going to bounce back? Am I ever going to see anything? I'm down 36%. Look at this. I thought I'd catch a bounce. I mean, I should have bought down here, but you just don't know, do you? I mean, I bought here thinking I was on a bounce, but look, it just kept on going. Should I cut my losses? What do you reckon? Global Star still going down. Exos had a nice little bounce, but dropped back. My portfolio is pretty much zero. Dras is waiting for FDA approval like me. Yeah. I hope it comes. I mean, this could be a great opportunity, buy in right now. That's the point, isn't it? That is the point. But I'm not buying in anything like that right now. You all know what my target is. To make money from all my stocks. Sell. Get ready for Rivian. That's my focus. That's what I'm on. I got out of NRXP with a loss a few days ago. Yeah. If I had money on hand, NRXP, GSAT, those sort of things, I would be in them. But right now, my focus is on Rivian. I can't overemphasize that enough. Well, yeah. I hope we all have a positive day. So do I. It would be wonderful, wouldn't it? Or NRXP, just have a little bounce back up there. 11% now. Let's have a look at it. Look at it right now. Its lowest levels. Its lowest ever levels now. Just about. Its lowest ever was 952. It's not far off now, guys. It's not far off its all-time lows. If NRXP pops, I stand to make a cool 15. Whoa. John, if it pops, John Brunette will make $15,000 in one stock. That's something else, isn't it? Rolls Royce up 2.78 today. There we go. That's nice. Ford is up today as well. Clear Secure, Robinhood, Lucid Group's having a great day, up 6% today. It was a few moments ago at nearly 8%. Rivian, Lucid Group is having a great day. This all tells me how well Rivian's going to do. This is just an indicator. This is just the warm-up. But Lucid is completely different to Rivian. It's got much better mileage. It's a very sexy-looking car. For me, Rivian's it's the big truck right now. That doesn't interest me. If I was going to buy a car, if it had to be a Rivian or a Lucid, I'd buy a Lucid because the Lucid car is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I wouldn't buy a Rivian. I'm not into those big trucks. I don't see a point of a truck. It's a lot of metal. You can't put nothing in it. I don't get the point of it. But anyway, Lucid Group just dropping back. There was opportunity there. Right. So, does anyone have any knowledge about Harpoon Therapeutics? GSAT continually going down. Exos, as that bounce has gone. Let's go back to the main portfolio and see. Oh, yeah, we're dropping back now. Bitcoin dropping back. And Johnson & Johnson's up. Tesla's dropped back slightly. Good morning, Ramesh Babu. Ramesh. Hello, welcome. This is another new member of our team, guys. COS is up. Let's have a look at it for you. This is Ramesh. Where are you from, Ramesh? You did tell me. Smash the like button, my friend. This is one of our new members. We've got a lot of our team here this morning, Ramesh. Some really, really great investors. We've got John Brunette from Canada. We've got Martin Redding from the US. We've got Alicia and Patricia from Italy. Dr. Nathan Smith from the US. We've got our friend Muzanella from Florida. COS is going up. Shall we take a look at it with you and discuss it? KOSS. Let's have a look. 1% up this morning. Let's have a look at this company. It's quite new. There we go. It IPO'd in January this year. Good morning to all of you. We've got 16 likes now. Fantastic. It's your very first time here. If you're watching on the replay, click subscribe and ring the bell. This is what we're doing here. And give us a thumbs up. Help us grow on YouTube. And Bill is from Canada. There we go. From India. I played in Delhi once, in a hotel in Delhi for a wedding many, many years ago. When I say played, Ramesh, I'm actually a singer. I may have told you that before. This is my TV studio here. See this? If I turn around, I'll show you. There we go. And I go live here every afternoon. And I do a request show. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man, and this is how I invest my my profits. Mumbai. No, I've not played. I've travelled. I've flown into Mumbai, but I played in Delhi. Global Star continuing to drop. Do you have any? Would you like to make a musical dedication, Ramesh, to someone in your family, someone you love, someone you care for? I would love to be able to sing to some people in India. I've never done it before with my YouTube channel. Would you like me to do something special for you? If you have a family member or someone you'd like to dedicate a song to, I will sing it to them live in my show this afternoon. I've never ever done a live show into India. I'd absolutely love it. It'd be a real honour. I'll just very quickly share with you how you can do that. This is the day trader. This is where you are now. Okay. See here, featured channels. This is my Martyn Lucas show. Martyn Lucas channel. All right, this is the main channel for me. Click on it, scroll down, and you'll see upcoming live streams right here. And then this afternoon, look, I go live every weekday at this time, and I do a request show. And you can pick a song, and I will do your request. If you're interested, I'll tell you more about it. And in 2002, I was playing in Euro Disney Paris, and Elton John walked on the stage and gave me the title of World Piano Man, and gave me the jacket he wore in Candle in the Wind. My son. Okay, your son. What music does your son like? Navadeep Sai. Navadeep Sai. Hello to Navadeep Sai. I don't know any Indian music. That's the only thing, Ramesh. I know all the Elton John stuff, the Beatles, Paul McCartney, musicals, Phantom of the Opera, Bryan Adams and Frank Sinatra, and I know 650 songs. But what's the stock that you're interested in this morning? COS. Let me go back to it for you. Let me have a look. See what it's doing. Let's learn about COS. This is a new one. COS is just dropping back slightly. We'll nip between that and Bitcoin. Is my Bitcoin? I knew something was dropping. Bitcoin is dropping this morning, but don't sell this. Stick with it. I'm still up 41%. This is my investment in Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be 100,000 by the end of the year. I'm pretty sure of that. There we go. COS. This is your stock here. COS. I'm going to give you the link to my song list. This is my website. This is my song list. And I'm going to give you, in the live chat, the list of all my songs that I know. And hopefully, if you want to join me later on this afternoon, there'll be a song in there that you like. I'm so glad I got out of any, down 17% this morning. Let's have a look at it for you. ANY. It's showing down 4% to me. Oh, it was. Oh, I see. Yes, it was, wasn't it? Oh, it's down. I'm not seeing down 17%. Oh, your position was down 17%. Okay. Yeah. It's dropped off, isn't it? I wonder what time my show is in India. Ramesh, if you go on the website, on the Day Trader channel where you are right now, scroll down to the Martyn Lucas channel, and then click on the video, upcoming live stream. It'll tell you in your time zone what time it's on. Just tell me what time it's on in India. I'd love to know. To see if there's any chance I could do a song for your son. We can make him famous on YouTube. Right, let's have a look at my portfolio. Let's go back to... We're seeing Bitcoin drop right now. Yeah, it's dropped. I've dropped $200. 7:30 p.m. now. Oh, I see. So you are... So right, you are 11 hours ahead of us. You are 11 hours ahead of us. So I go live at 4 p.m. in the evening here. So that'll be 3 a.m. It'll be 3 a.m. for you. That's not going to work for you, is it, mate? If you made a request, what I'll do, I'll mention your son's name. I will sing him the song Navadeep, and you could watch it on the replay. And I'll put it in there. If you want to make a request, just go into the live chat now. You can comment. You can go into the live chat now, and you can leave a comment or comment below any of my videos, or comment here, or just tell me. Yeah, he said yeah. That's ridiculous. Anyway, Stocks are dropping right now. Let's go across the different things. My bad. My position is down 17% because I sold the 20 shares at $7 this morning pre-market. Oh, I see. There you go. Exos has dropped back a bit. Now that profit is now gone. KOSS, which is what Ramesh is looking at, is just dropped back a bit now. So profits to be made if you sold there. Amazon is continuing to drop. Johnson & Johnson everything's turning around now. We had a bit of a morning when things were looking all right, and now we're seeing them to return. Facebook is now dropping. Everything's now dropping, folks. We've had a morning of ups, and now it's all coming back down again. Don't want to miss a thing. Aerosmith. You want Aerosmith in the show this afternoon, do you? I can do the voice of Aerosmith. I don't want to miss a thing. All right. If you join me, Michael, live on the show, put Aerosmith in the live chat. I will sing that for you this afternoon, 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern Time, or 3 a.m. in the morning in India. Blimey. Google is down. Yeah, we're seeing drops this morning. McDonald's is just on 0. Walmart is down very slightly. No, it's 0. Let's have a look at some of our breaking news this morning. I wanted to bring you a couple of things. First of all, stock alert. Here we go, folks.
All right, welcome back. I've got some good news to report. I'm off tomorrow. Well, that's not the good news, or maybe it is. The good news is because of that, we are doing our weekly insider buying segment a day early to make sure that you get the names, because these stocks have, as a group, been outperforming the overall market. So let us hit the stocks, counting who is always down 5-1. Here we go. Number 5, Tenneco, a $450,000 buy by the chairman, the biggest buy of that company by an insider to date. Number 4, TransDigm, a $502,000 buy by the CFO. That is the first since he became an insider 3 years ago, and he bought on weakness. The third most insider buying, Teledyne, an executive making his second buy of the year, snapping up about $639,000 worth. Number 2, Rev Group. And if that sounds familiar, it should, because the chairman who bought here also had a big buy of about the same amount back in June, so basically he's doubling down, buying $758,000 worth. But the most insider buying of the week, and we kind of alluded to it earlier in the show, is On Semiconductor, a $769,000 buy by a board member. And check this out. It is the first insider buy of any kind by anyone of any size since September or November of 2016, almost 5 years ago. So those are the names that we are watching: Tenneco, TransDigm, Teledyne, the 3 T's, Rev Group, and On Semiconductor.
Right.
Reminder, we do this most weeks.
Let's have a look at those. That's very, very interesting. Let's have a look at that. Rev and On. Let's go to it. Rev. Revlon. That's not it. Let's go back to that again. Always find that very, very interesting. Rev, Vehicles for Life. What's the ticker? What's the ticker for that? Oops. Ah, I've lost it. Darn it. Where did it go?
Almost 5 years ago. So those are the names that we are watching. It is the first insider buy of any, but the most insider buying of the week, and we kind of alluded to it earlier in the show. Good, because the chairman who bought here went up about $639,000 worth. Number 2, Rev Group. And if that sounds familiar, it should.
Rev Group. Let's have a look at that. Revolve Group, is it? Rev Group. Revolve Group. No. I wish they gave you the ticker. On a parting note, check out LLY. Could be a buy. I bought back in today, small amount. Okay, I'll look at that in a second. RVLV. Thank you very much, Martin. RVLV. Revolve Group. Is that right? Let's have a look at this. Revolve Group Incorporated engages in a retail of next generation fashion for millennial and next generation Z consumers. It operates through the Revolve and Forward segments. Is that it? I thought it was to do with cars. Vehicles for life. No, I don't think that's not it, is it? That's very, very annoying that they don't put the ticker. I mean, you know, you have to go off and research it. It's a bit ridiculous, really. But I wouldn't be investing it anyway because I want to get money out, not put money in. On semiconductors, here's the big one. REVG. Okay, we'll come back to it then. Okay, here we go. On semiconductor. Totally get all this. Design manufacturing of semiconductor components. Here we go. Is the correct one. I'll have a look at that in a sec then. Let's have a look at this one. It's been around since 1999, so 22 years. And the last 5 years, 385%. It's seen some real growth recently, right? It's right at the top, though. It's right at the top. But someone just invested right here. Remember though, an inside trader might be able. They may have a discounted stock though. They may be able to get cheaper stock. That does happen, doesn't it? If you work for the company, you may have an option to buy cheaper stock, a discounted price. I think that's correct. I think I'm right in saying that. Because that's what happened at Robinhood. They bought shares at a discounted price. So, but yeah, there's certainly a little drop there. I don't know. Could well be something really good. But let's keep it on ice. Add to list. We'll do some research on it. And Martin Smith said RVLV. RVLV. Revolve Group. No. There we go. That's the same thing again. REVG. RV. Oh, there we go. Martin's got it. Is it REVG? REVG. Rev Group. There we go. That's the one. That's the one. Add that to my list. Rev Group is a holding company that the firm engages in the manufacture, distribution, and design of specialty vehicles and related aftermarket parts and services. It incorporates. Where am I? It incorporates through the following segments: fire and emergency, commercial and recreation. The fire and emergency segment offers the fire apparatus and ambulance products. The commercial segment involves the transit and shuttle buses, type A, school buses, mobility vans, sweepers, and terminal trucks. The recreation segment covers motorized recreational vehicle and application trailers. The company is founded in August 2010 and is headquartered in Brooklyn. Is it an electric company? Or is it a gas company? The analysts don't like it. They're giving it a 16% buy. but then that's out of date. Hasn't managed to accelerate its returns. There are a few key trends. Let's have a look at Rev here. It doesn't look to me like it's an electric vehicle company. So I wouldn't touch it because I think that's old school. But I've added it to my list. Good morning, Sam. Good morning. Smash the like button up to 18 likes now. This is great. We're good. We're doing well today. Absolutely fantastic. Exos has now dropped back. Let's have a look at my overall portfolio now. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, we're dropping now. That'll SPCE, I think, is partly because of that. And Bitcoin is dropping as well. Yeah, big drops. Big drop, 2% this morning with Virgin. Sorry, 2%. I'm talking rubbish. Ignore me. 2%. All electric Type A school buses. Oh, okay. That is really? That's great then. That's what I was looking for. I couldn't see that. All electric Type A school buses. Now I'm excited. Now I'm interested. Yeah. Now I'm interested. All electric Type A school buses. That's great. That would get government backing as well. People would love that. Over the last 5 years, popped, it dropped back. It's undervalued. Makes perfect sense. Only thing is, I mean, it could be great. I'm gonna buy a share of it. I'm just gonna buy a single share of it. Just to put that in my portfolio. I'm gonna buy a share of Rev Group. Rev. Buy. One share. And what was the other one we looked at as well? The semiconductor thing. What was the semiconductor one? What was it? Oh, it was on, wasn't it? It was on. On semiconductors. I'm going to buy a share of that as well. One. There we go. Okay. That gives me interest in the companies. There we go. I bought one share of each of those. On a parting note, check out LLLY. Whoops. LLLY. Let's do this for Martin. Is Martin still here? I think he's gone. LLLY. I think he's still LLY. There we go. LLY. Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly engages in discovery and development, manufacture and sale of pharmaceutical products. Back in on Lucid. Oh, are you? Have you got shares in Volvo or BYD? I don't, Sam. No, I don't. Do you? Should I have? Yeah, I'm not going to touch any more pharmaceutical stuff. Not for the minute, anyway. Exhaust down. BYD is a great top electric vehicle producer. Oh, is it? I've never heard of it. Has anybody heard of BYD? I can't say I've heard of it. So this is what we're preparing for. Electric vehicle maker Rivian aims to raise as much as $8 billion in IPO, sources say. This is what we're looking at. This is what I'm preparing for. So welcome to everybody. We've got 18 likes now, so smash the like button. If you're watching me on the repeat, give us a subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. I've got some news I'm going to be announcing in the next couple of weeks. Some very special events that are going to happen over the next month after that period of time. So I want to just get you ready for it. If you want to be kept up to date with those events, you need to subscribe and ring the bell. Otherwise, you won't be made aware of it. So you will miss out on that. Some events I've got coming up in a month's time from now. I'll announce it in a couple of weeks' time. So make sure you've rang the bell so you'll be notified. They're going to be one-off events that you're not going to be in at different times. So let's have a look. My portfolio is still down. All right, let's get the scores today and let's see who wins today. I am down 0.43. Boyd Gaming Corporation. Thought it was the casinos. So did I. I never heard of it as cars. So let's get the scores. I'm down 0.44% today. What's everybody else? That kind of takes out what I made yesterday. So I've been flat over the last 2 days now. I am up 0.02. All right, does anybody beat Nathan Smith? He is up 0.02. It's a Chinese company. Okay. I've lost interest already. Down 0.24, down 2.4. Sorry, John. So what about everybody else? Dr. Nathan Smith is up 0.02. Anybody else win? Anybody else got better? Ramesh, are you better than that? Michael Williams, are you an investor? I know Lisa and Patricia aren't. They enjoy just watching the show. Who else? Martin's now gone, I think. Who else have we got left in the chat? Bill, you'll be down, I think, because you're with me on SPCE, right? SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Let's have a look at it. Oh, Virgin Galactic. Oh, tell a lie. Virgin Galactic is up 2.5% and growing. You never know. Bill could be the winner today. I just love watching. Thanks, Sam. So, Bill, what's your position? If you've only got Virgin, you could be the winner. Let's see what Bill's position is this morning. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Otherwise, we're going to declare the winner. It's Dr. Nathan Smith. He's up 0.02. Remember, it's on the day, not the morning. This is just part of the day. Let's see. I don't know if Bill's still here. It's gone very quiet. So it looks like we're going to give the winner to Dr. Nathan Smith. Pretty cool. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to call it. Dr. Nathan Smith today is the winner. Congratulations. He's won the morning, but it's only half an applause because it's all about winning the day. All right? Okay, so we'll see back later if Dr. Nathan Smith does get in a winning position. So are we all doing similar to what I'm doing? Are you all planning on the IPO of Rivian. It's about 4 or 5 weeks away, sometime in the middle of October, possibly November. You're very welcome, mate. Thank you very much indeed. Congratulations, mate. So, what do you think? I'm hoping this is 16%. This is round about my best ever position for Virgin Galactic since they devalued. If we can get a pop on this Rivian, I recommend buying after IPO. Yeah, because it's gonna be super pumped. You're absolutely right. It'll be absolutely ridiculously expensive. I agree with you. I agree. It could be that way. But also, if you do get the pre-IPO, it's going to go really expensive and drop, no doubt. But doesn't matter if it drops. Long term, you're going to win with Rivian. So, whatever you buy it at, if you left it for 5 years or even a year, it'll go up. But you're absolutely right. You could get a much better deal, but it may be one of those that just does not drop. But of course, some people will sell out and then buy back in again. It'll be very volatile at the beginning. I'm sure it will. Yes, I will buy some shares. Yeah, absolutely. I basically, what I'm trying to do now is get my first profits on Virgin Galactic. I'm down 16%. It's up today, probably because of the SpaceX test flight last night. They all drop. They all do, yeah. So, Virgin Galactic, if I can get this up to, even zero, where I've not lost any money, I'll take some money off the table of this one, and I want $6,000 in my portfolio. Right now, my buying power is what, $784. I want to do better than that. Obviously, I need about $6,000. I'll invest $5,000, maybe all in one go, or 5 $1,000 investments. But then I want to keep $1,000 on hand should we get any dramatic drops or whatever. But so I'm trying to get out of some of these positions. 37% now. Harpoon. Pfizer, it's down. Carnival, down. McAfee's up 0.5%. What's Lucid doing right now? Oh, Lucid just dropped back. I can see that's why John bought back in there. Makes sense. I'm just concerned it's overvalued, but then so's Tesla. Does it have the hype of Tesla? It doesn't. That's the thing. See, Tesla has the hype, and so does how many people wait 1 week? They all drop. How many people wait 1 week? Yeah. Well, if you can get the pre-IPO, if you could get the pre-IPO, that would be all right, wouldn't it? I don't know if Robinhood are going to do it. That would be great. Clear Secure up today. Lucy could go to 58. Oh, you'd be happy with that, wouldn't you? That would be very, very nice. Yeah. Yeah, my shares are dropping down. What's causing that? Yeah, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down 2% today. That's what's causing that. That's why my stock is down. SPCE is doing all right. Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah, it's down 2%. I'm up 41% on this now. Let's have a final look at this. This is what's driving Virgin Galactic this morning.
Now to talk about what this means for future investments in private spaceflight technology is Lisa Rich. She's an investor in SpaceX through Hemisphere Ventures. She's also the founder and COO of space startup Explore. And Lisa, I know how interested you...
Did you hear that? Hemisphere Adventure. Was that... What was that?
Founder and COO of space startup Explore. And Lisa, she's an investor in SpaceX through Hemisphere Ventures. She's also...
Hemisphere Ventures. Hemisphere Ventures. That's how you can be on SpaceX. Hemisphere Adventures. It's not right. Okay, it's not available on my on Robinhood. Hemisphere Adventures. Okay. Adventures. Let me just put that into Google because I want in on SpaceX. I'd love to be a shareholder of SpaceX. Adventures beyond the hemisphere. Adventures beyond. Is that what they said? But if you are invested in Tesla, you are invested in space. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, kind of. But I'd love to be able to buy directly with it, wouldn't you? Hemisphere. Is that what she said? Let me just check that again.
She's an investor in SpaceX through Hemisphere Ventures. She's also...
Hemisphere Ventures, probably. Hemisphere Ventures. Let me have a look now. Hemisphere Ventures. Hemisphere Capital Management. Hemisphere... there we go. Hemisphere Ventures. Hemisphere Ventures. It takes the right intersection of people, in ideas, timing, and technology. Yada, yada, yada. Our portfolio. Axion Space. Planet IQ. Doesn't say SpaceX, does it? Doesn't say SpaceX there. Hemisphere Ventures. It's not on Robinhood anyway. So nevertheless, I just heard that and thought, oh hello. Let's get some information on that.
Also the founder and COO of space startup Explore. And Lisa, I know how interested you are in all of this. It's definitely caught the public's attention, but people start looking at this, okay, how risky is this for a place for investment? What do you tell them?
SpaceX is listed. Go to their company section, companies. Ah, here we go, our portfolio. Bloody hell, they got a lot. Okay. Spot the SpaceX. SpaceX, there we go. Yes. Okay. So how can you invest? Some of the incredible companies we're invested in. How can you invest in Hemisphere Ventures then? All right, I'm going to keep that. I would be interested in investing in Hemisphere Ventures, wouldn't you? It's not on. Is it on Webull? It's not on Robinhood. Hemisphere Ventures. Okay. Let's have a look. John sent me something. Let's have a look. John has sent me some interesting thing. How cool is that? Look, with the space going on. Ooh, I'm in space, everybody. Okay, here we go. Invest with Hemisphere Ventures. Back syndicate. Typical investments. $10,000. Deals last 6 months, 12 months 6. Oh yeah, Lisa Rich, wasn't that the woman on the news? Isn't that Lisa Rich?
Ventures. She's also the founder and CEO. Her investments in private spaceflight technology is Lisa Rich.
Yeah, that's that woman there. I like our investigative journalism. Hang on a minute. Where did I go to? Yeah, that's that woman there. That's the woman on the news, Lisa Rich. Okay. Invest with Hemisphere Ventures. Back Syndicate. We are a founder-friendly investors in a fantastic team with a portfolio of 200 plus early-stage frontier investments. We are most actively involved in synthetic biology, space, robotics, blah, blah, blah. We will syndicate as many investments as we can, blah, blah, blah. This is all new to me. $10,000 minimum. Yeah. Back syndicate. To join Hemisphere. All right, okay. Who's interested in this? It's a startup, so they get investors via Angel List. I got you. Would you put $10,000 into that? That's what you got to do. Be very exciting though, wouldn't it, to have shares in SpaceX though, wouldn't it? Let's be honest. I'm going to look at it because SpaceX is just the best thing ever. All right. I think we're going to wrap up our show this morning. Facebook down. I'm going to close some of these off now. Oh, Apple is down 1%. Look at that. That's quite a drop. Coca-Cola down 1.5%. Hey, we're seeing some real drops here this morning. Real drops. 55. No, that's a steal for Coke, isn't it? AT&T. Disney down a little bit. Google is dropping back a bit. Opportunity there. A few sales going on here right now. If you're looking at improving your positions, McDonald's is having a good day. I got my first dividend payout last night from McDonald's. Only had one share, but they paid me out. It's a buy right now as well. It's exceeding expectations. Yeah, look, my dividend $1.29. I only have one stock in it, one share. Well, at that time I only had one. I got $1.29. But it also has a good return. Look over the year. It's in line. It's just about in line with the. But you know, if you add into that your dividends, about 10% a year. So it's on line with the general sort of trend of things. So that's not a bad. McDonald's is good to be in, you know. But it's rising today. Walmart is dropping, so an opportunity to get in there. But my position's big enough, though, you know. With Walmart, NRXP. Let's have a look at it now. Continuing to fall. Rolls-Royce is just stepping back, but still up today. It's good. We've got 18 likes now. Fantastic. Is everybody like the video? Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've just joined us, come into the live chat and let us know you're here. Ford has dropped back 0.5% today. Clear Secure up 12%. I'm up 12% on that one. Robinhood has dropped today a little bit, 1.67. Lucid Group it's up 4%. Harpoon has just picked up a little bit. I'm only 37% down. Bloody hell. Pfizer is dropping back today, 8%. They're down 1% today. Carnival's pretty flat today, not a lot going on. McAfee's doing well. That's an investment I'm in. Only 20 shares, but nevertheless, $400. That's down. My overall position is down 3%, but we've had a good day today, up 1%, so that's good. Bitcoin just started to recover in the last few minutes again. That's what Bitcoin is doing, what Bitcoin always does. So there we go. We're going to end the show right there, folks. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks for being with me today, Extended. We are preparing, at least I am anyway, for a position in Rivian. So I'm trying to sell off some stock here, make some money, get ready. I'll see you all later. I've got some new videos coming out this afternoon. Check them out. I'd like to invite everybody to this new channel I've just set up. So I'm on the Day Trader. Let's just go where we are now. Go to the Day Trader, just below here. I've got these 3 channels, right? The Martyn Lucas channel, the Content Creator. I'm going to be showing you how to make videos. And YouTube and TikTok short videos. It's like America's funniest videos. At the moment, it's just my videos, but I'm inviting people to come in and send in their videos. You could help me big time if you want to have a bit of fun. You click on this one here and go to the playlist. Go to the playlist Shorts and just play that through. Each video is 15 seconds long. You might enjoy it. I'm making some short videos, and this is a short video channel. That's all it does. It's 15-second videos, and people can send their videos into me, and I will put them on the channel. All right. Patricia says bye-bye. So we're going to get off now, and I'll see you all back later for the drive home show, of course, and the closing bell. So take care of yourselves. Have a great day. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.